You need zero money to start a business, and whoever told you that you need money is a moron. I started my business with little to no money. I was in college. I bought a course for $47 off a YouTube ad on how to build a social media marketing agency, and I went from there. I used grit, I used my work ethic, I used, working smarter, not harder to get local business clients in my area, spending their money to learn even more, and then getting more clients from there, doing referrals, doing the common sense things that people are not doing in their business right now. You think that you need $40,000, $50,000, $200,000 to start a business and grow it. What you do need are high net worth skill sets that no matter what you do in your business, you will know every facet. And then once you prove your concept, you can then delegate it to other people. And that's all I did. I did not start with thousands of dollars. You don't need a business loan or business credit. Do you need personal credit? Of course you do. Is building business credit good? Of course it is. But right now you need to get your business off the ground. You need to prove the concept yourself with a little bit of grit, maybe a couple $100 and some fucking common sense, and you'll be fine.